Hello everyone, so in this video I want to show you jobs with visa sponsorship and in occupations that are so unlikely, like you can actually migrate as a chef, as a hairstylist, those occupations that people don't feel they can get jobs, with visa sponsorship on. So that's why I'm doing this video, to show you these jobs. They're available, they have visa sponsorship, they have relocation package, they pay for your flight, accommodation, like different kinds of relocation packages. These jobs do exist, but you just need to know the right place to find them. So in this video, I'm bringing them together to just show you, jobs you can apply for, different occupations with visa sponsorship. If you're just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to my channel. Do hit the subscribe button so you can be seeing more videos from me, and turn on the post notification bell, very important. So how the bell works is, when you turn it on, every time I post a new video, you get a notification and you just click it and watch the video. So in this relocation journey, right, you can't depend on just one video. You need to get so much information so you can know your options. It will even make your journey faster when you know so much about the things you need to do to migrate. So you need to watch a lot of videos from me, to make your relocation dream come true. I mean, that is what my channel is all about. It's all about, showing you opportunities all around the world that you can take advantage of. So do me a favor, hit the like button of this video, just give me a thumbs up just to show that you appreciate the content I share here. It does motivate me to create more content. All right, thank you so much. Okay, so I'm going to show you the website. Let's move over to the website so I can show you everything you need to know about these visa sponsorship jobs you can apply for right now. So new jobs have been posted on the website and I just want to show them to you. They were posted March 5. So it's all of them are quite recent. So this is for a cook, and the salary is $26.60 per hour for 35 hours of work per week. And then you're going to be working on shifts. It's a permanent position and 3 vacancies for this. So they are hiring more than one candidate. So you stand a greater chance of getting the job. And let's look at the education, right? Secondary school is, acceptable. And they also need 1 year of work experience. Okay. So for the task of the cook position, you're going to prepare and cook complete meals or individual dishes and foods. And then you prepare dishes for customers with food allergies or intolerances. You will inspect kitchens and food service areas. You supervise kitchen staff and helpers. You maintain inventory and records of food, supplies, and equipment. You will clean the kitchen and work areas and manage kitchen operations. So that's basically what it is. Transportation is available. And then they really need, someone that has attention to detail, and the work conditions is physically demanding. Yeah. So that just said, you need to have a lot of attention to detail. And then the personal suitability is initiative and organized. So you need to have initiative, and you need to be a very organized person. Yeah. Okay. So how do you apply for this? Send your CV and your cover letter to this email address displayed here. So this is the email address where you're sending your application. Jobs2812063 Ontario NINC@gmail.com. All right, so let me show you the next one. I'm going to be showing you, a lot of jobs here for different occupations. So there's something here for everybody. And if you need the links to these jobs, I'm going to post them in my Telegram channel. And the link to my Telegram channel is going to be in the description box below, so you can check that out. Okay, so we have food service supervisor. Salary is $26.60 per hour for 35 hours of work per week, and they're looking for 2 candidates for this. They're going to hire 2 suitable candidates. And education is secondary school graduation certificate, and 1 year experience is needed. So these are the tasks you're going to be performing on this job. You establish methods to meet work schedules, supervise and coordinate activities of staff who prepare and portion food, and a number of other
tasks. You can see them right here. And then you're going to be supervising 1 to 2 people. Remember, this is a supervisory role. So you're supervising 1 to 2 people. It's a fast-paced environment, and you need to be a team player, right? And this is the email address, same one we saw in the last one. Jobs 2786370 Ontario INC. Okay, it's not the same, it's different. Sorry, this is different. Jobs 2786370 Ontario Inc. at gmail.com. All right. Okay, next one here is office administrator, 1 vacancy, and secondary school certificate is acceptable, and then 1 year experience. Okay, and these are the responsibilities for this. This is office administrator, yeah. So let's just go see the email address you're going to be sending this to. So this is jobs 2786370 Ontario INC at gmail.com. So this is the email address where you'll be sending in your application. And always remember that your CV should be accompanied by a cover letter. Okay. All right. So next up, bookkeeper. Salary $26.60 per hour for 35 hours of work. And it is 1 vacancy. And for this one, the qualification, education requirements for this is a step higher than the secondary school. So they need college, college degree for this, right? So you need to have your college degree to apply for this job, and then 1 year experience. Calculate and prepare checks for payroll is one of the things you'll be doing on this job. You will keep financial records and establish, maintain, and balance various accounts using manual and computerized bookkeeping systems. You will maintain general ledgers and financial statements, post journal entries, prepare other statistical, financial, and accounting reports. Yeah, so that's it. So let's see the email address. This is it right here. Jobs 2745185 Ontario INC at gmail.com. So if you notice, the numbers are different in these email addresses. So they have different email addresses for the different job roles, right? So you really need to take advantage, notice that rather, so you don't send one application for to the wrong email and stuff like that. So you need to really check the position you're applying for and the corresponding email address. So this is another one. This is for a cook, but it's another ad, not the one we saw previously. And let me just show you the email address where you're sending in your application. This is jobs 2745185 Ontario INC at gmail.com. So this is different from the other one. So you need to really look at that. Okay, so the next one here is for a restaurant manager, and college is needed for this position and 1 year experience. And let's just see the email address. So that's it. All right, so you send your application by email. So all these jobs were posted on the Canadian Government Job Bank. So, and they were posted under the category for international applicants who are outside Canada. All right. Okay, so administrative assistant, this is it. Secondary school is what they're asking for here, and 1 year experience. These are the tasks involved in this. And then we have the email address down here where you're sending in your application, right? So we have Superstar Painting Ltd at gmail.com. All right, next up, tire technician. Tire technician, yeah. So let's see. No degree, no certificate, right? And then the experience they're looking for is 7 months. And let's see the email address where you're sending it. So you can apply on Job Bank. You can apply by sending your application to this email address, and there are also phone numbers, fax, and all of that. All right, so you can send it to this email address right here. All right, so next up, e-business manager and bachelor's degree is needed. This is the first one that we're actually seeing bachelor's degree and 1 year experience. So these are the tasks for this. And this one is more advanced, computer and technology knowledge, database software, electronic scheduler, and all of that. So just check it out and apply. So this is it. The email address is luxacademy2019 at gmail.com, and they're asking for a cover letter as well. Remember, I said always send your application with a cover letter. Okay, so that's how far we can go with this. I do hope you found something useful for yourself amongst the ones that I've showed here. All right, so I'm going to bring you another video tomorrow where I will show you more vacancies in Canada.
I really think you should apply to these jobs like immediately, because at times if they see what they're looking for even before the deadline, they can close receiving applications. So apply as soon as possible and also share the opportunity with others. Let them know that these jobs do exist so they can apply for them. So give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like